Hi you guys, I hope you liked the stuff that I did to my channel. I made it look a little different. I changed my logo, which I think was really cool, the top part of my channel. I think I might be changing once a month, but I'm gonna have to see about that. So, welcome to this video. It's basically all about how to use stacks in SwiftUI. So, if you watched my first video, which is how to use text in SwiftUI, I'll link it inside the description, then you know what I'm talking about. So, what this is all I'm going to do, first I'm going to delete the padding, and like we said, I'm going to basically command click on it, I'm going to embed it in an H stack. This is a horizontal stack, meaning if I was going to put another text view and say hello, and that pops up right there. So we can see the difference between the two. And this are both two views inside one stack. However, I can change this to a vertical stack and it aligns vertically. Again, I can also change the location of this. And there we go. It's now on the top of it. And there's even a Z stack, which is an overlapping stack. So after we do that, I can change this back to a V stack, and there are a few things, such as spacing, which I can put in right here, and I believe I can say 1, and then that should be lowercase. And I can separate the spacing between each component, or each view inside my stack. So, for example, if I was going to put another text view here, you can see it also has the spacing. And I can change this back to, for example, 10. And another really cool thing that I can do is I can do alignment. So for this, I'm going to use a different method. I can just hit this button, and we now have the alignment. So I can add another modifier saying foreground color, and then dot gray. And there we go. We have a basic thing using stacks and the text views. If you don't know what any of this means, I recommend you go check out my video. I'm going to link in the description. And let's go over what we did. So all that's happening here is we're creating a vertical stack with two text views inside. And on the vertical stack, we're setting spacing. The spacing is of 20, so we're going to separate the two text views by 20 points of spacing. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment on what you want me to do next, and make sure you hit the bell icon to never miss another video.